Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make royal icing, the perfect royal icing for piping and for writing. Here I have my icing sugar and my egg white, and you would also need white vinegar and flavor. I'm just going to pop my egg white onto the mixer and pour in my white vinegar and my flavor. Now I'm going to start mixing the egg white. I'm not using a balloon whisk here because I'm not trying to beat it to be fluffy. I'm just going to add my icing sugar almost immediately. Please note that this icing sugar is already sifted. Always work with sifted icing sugar to avoid any form of lump or seed. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that immediately. Like this video, share it to somebody who needs it, share it to your family member. Let's continue this video. I'm going to show you in the course of this video things or work that has been done with this recipe. It's very stable. It's so stable that you can use it to pipe on anything, and also you can even loosen the consistency with water to make it usable for writing on your cake. It's perfect for every occasion. You can use it for your modeling work. You can use it to stick something that is supposed to suspend on a cake and it wouldn't fall. It's so perfect, and it's very simple to make. It takes 5 minutes to make. It's pretty simple, easy recipe. Only 4 ingredients, which is icing sugar, egg white, vinegar and flavor. This is what it is like. It's still a little bit stiff to me. It's okay, but I want it to be a little softer, so I'm going to beat it a little more. Now it has doubled in volume kinda, so this is what I'm actually looking for. Very fluffy, super fluffy, easy to work with. I would advise that if you are using the two major brands that we really know in Nigeria, which is if you're using Baker's Choice, you should use 600 gram of icing sugar, and if you're using Susan, you should use 500 gram. But please note that the recipe is just simply 100 gram egg white, then 600 gram icing sugar. Or for the Susan, you can use 550. The Susan is stiffer, so that's why I advise you reduce the icing sugar in the recipe. But overall, it's perfect. It is good. It is very pliable and super soft. So when you want to use it to write, just take a little out of it, add water with stir it with a spoon and pipe with it. This is it. This is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. This is the work I've done with this, and look at how perfect it is. I pipe with this and it is so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day, and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Bye.